Good evening. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Dave here. Coming up with an evening swim here at the Gold Gym. I'm suffering an ear infection, but it helps if I get in the water a lot. So, getting bored at home, I had called in sick already, so I was excused from work. But now I'm gonna go inside the water for a bit. I'm gonna take the Go-To with me, I forgot to bring the holder, but I'm gonna do a couple of laps before I head on home again. So y'all be out there with me. See how this looks.